G-Shock, a name known for toughness, bold design, and digital dominance. But what happens when the world's toughest watch brand goes minimalist, all metal, and fully analog? Meet the brand new G-Shock G-Steel GST-B1000, a refined evolution of ruggedness. Part of the G-Steel family, the GST-B1000 arrives in three stunning dial options, each with a textured all-analog display. It measures 46.9 by 44.2 millimeters and is just 11.6 millimeters thick, smaller and slimmer than the full-metal Casio. The octagonal bezel pays tribute to G-Shock's very first watch, the legendary DW5000C, while the stainless steel bracelet and trifold clasp give it an undeniably premium feel. Hairline finishing across the case and bracelet adds a subtle air of refinement, a perfect blend of sport and sophistication. Don't let the sleekness fool you. This is still a G-Shock through and through. Beneath that metal shell lies a carbon-reinforced resin core that absorbs impacts, while urethane buffers at the lugs reduce shock and stress on the case. You still get 200 meters of water resistance, plus classic G-Shock functionality, a stopwatch, countdown timer, and LED light for night visibility. And though there's no battery indicator on the dial, it connects seamlessly to the G-Shock Connected app, where you can check charge levels and settings from your phone. The G-Shock GST-B1000 launches this November, priced at €399, or around $460 USD. Available now across Asia and select European markets, with a US release coming soon. Smaller, smarter, stronger. The G-Shock GST-B1000 proves that toughness can have a touch of class.